dope, and today we're doing some house steps. Now, we are doing some technical house steps today. There's some heel-toe variations. One of them is called a KERRY step. There's a behind and an in front version. And another one is a heel-toe variation that I made up with a nice little twist. It's some fire little technical steps. So, yeah, we'll get straight into this one. I'd say this is aimed at beginners / intermediate. Just totally depends. Some people find these hard, some not. But yeah, they're nice little technical steps that you can add into your house dance. A nice quick one that you can learn. You're going to look fire doing these, yeah? If there's any other stuff that you guys want to see, check the links in the description. I've got house dance routines, other steps, drills, everything out there. So just jump straight on, yeah? But apart from that, let's get into it. So the first one we're going to do is a KERRY step. So we're going to do a behind version and a front version. So the behind version looks like this. And the front version looks like this. Yeah, so it's a nice technical little step. So what you're going to do is you're going to hop on right foot, tap the left toe behind, then tap your left foot out to the side on its toe, tap your left foot on its heel, and tap left foot on its toe. So with no hop, you're just left foot is tapping toe behind, toe out to the side, on its heel, tap that toe in front. Yeah? And all you do to start is just hop on the opposite leg. So you're going to hop on right leg as left taps behind, side, heel, toe. Now you're going to hop on left foot as right foot taps toe behind, tap your toe out to the side, tap it on your heel, and then tap your toe in front. So make sure it slightly crosses over that foot, yeah? So with no jumps, you're just tapping toe, toe, heel, toe. On the other side, right leg is tapping toe, toe, heel, toe. And all you're doing on that first step is hopping on the opposite leg. So if you're tapping your left foot behind, you're going to hop on your right. If you're tapping your right foot behind, you're going to hop on your left. Yeah? So you hop on right foot, tap left, toe, toe, heel, toe. Then hop on left as you tap right, toe, toe, heel, toe. Then repeat. Hop on right as you tap left, toe, toe, heel, toe. Then hop on left as you tap right, toe, toe, heel, toe. Now you're speeding that as in every single beat. So on the 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah? So let's go slow, and then we'll try quick. So slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Toe, toe, heel, toe, 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 heel, toe, 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 heel, toe, 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 heel, toe. Nice. Second version of that KERRY step is starting in front. So you're starting with the heel. So you're going to hop on right as you tap left heel out. Hit it on toe. Toe out to the side, toe behind. Yeah, so just your left foot without that hop is going heel, toe, toe, behind. And you tap that toe, yeah? So quicker, it's so slow, heel, toe, toe, toe. Yes, then the other side. So you're going to bring right foot out, heel, toe across, toe out to the side, and then toe tap behind. Now all you're doing again is hopping on the opposite leg. So we're starting with our left foot coming on a heel. We're going to hop on right foot as we heel left, toe with left foot, toe out to the side with left foot, toe behind with left foot. And you'll hop on left foot as you heel on right, tap toe across on right, tap toe out to the side, tap it behind. And you'll hop on right as you heel on left, tap toe in front, tap toe out to the side, tap toe behind. You'll hop on left as you heel on right, tap toe in front, tap it out to the side, tap it behind. Yes, so let's try that one nice and slow. So 5, 6, 7, 8, heel, toe, 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 heel, toe, 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 heel, toe, side, behind, heel, toe, side, behind, heel, toe, side, behind, heel, toe, side, behind. Nice, and you'll speed it that one. Is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. We'll try them quicker at the end, but let's get straight into the next one. So the next one is just a variation I made with toes and heels. So it looks like this. Yeah. So all we're going to do, with no jump again, we're going to tap right foot on our toe. And we're going to turn, tap that right foot on its heel. So the same foot you just tapped toe is what you're going to heel in the back. Then you're going to switch legs, so tap the other foot. Obviously if you're facing away from the camera, just spin around right now. You're going to tap the other leg on its heel. Then you're going to turn to the front and tap that same foot on its toe. So I'm tapping my right foot twice, then my left foot twice. So I'm doing right foot, toe, heel, then left foot, heel, toe. So right foot is going toe, turn, heel, left foot, heel, turn, toe. Again. So right foot is tapping toe, turn, heel, left foot, heel, tap, toe. And all you want to do is hop on each step. So you hop, tap, hop, heel, toe. And you can go again that way. Hop, toe, heel, hop, toe. Yeah? Nice. So if you want to go down to the other side, you're just going to switch it round. So you're going to tap the left foot on its toe, then heel, then right foot on its heel, then toe. So the left foot is going toe tap, turn, heel, right foot, heel, turn, toe. Yeah, so left foot, toe, heel, right foot, heel, toe. So left foot, toe, heel, switch, right foot, heel, turn, toe. So you're just gonna hop, toe, hop, heel, toe. Then you go again. Hop, toe, hop, heel, toe. Yeah? So that's both sides done. Okay, let's try all of them moves a little bit quicker. So let's go to Kerry step slow and fast. The forwards version of it slow and fast. And then peels and toes, we can just go one way around, slow and fast. Yeah? So I'll Kerry step our first one, this one, both sides, slow first. 5, 6, 7, 8. Toe, toe, heel, toe, 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 heel, toe, 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 heel, toe, 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 heel, toe. Quicker. 5, 6, 7, toe, toe, heel, toe, 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 heel, toe, 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 heel, toe, 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 heel, toe. Nice. Now the in front version, slow. So in front, 5, 6, 7, 8, heel, toe, 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 heel, toe, side, behind, heel, toe, side, behind, heel, toe, side, behind. Quicker, 5, 6, 7, 8, heel, toe, side, behind, heel, toe, side, behind, heel, toe, side, behind, heel, toe, side, behind. Nice. Let's do our last one. We'll go both way around, which is where we go toe, heel, toe. Rotate. We'll go 2 rotations of each. Slow first, starting with our right toe behind. 5, 6, 7, toe, heel, toe, toe, heel, toe. Quicker. 5, 6, 7, 8, toe, heel, toe, toe, heel, toe. Nice. All the way around. So we're going to start with the left foot tapping on its toe. 5, slow. 5, 6, 7, 8, toe, heel, toe, toe, heel, toe. Nice. And quicker. 5, 6, 7, 8, toe, heel, toe, toe, heel, toe. Nice. Okay, good. So there it is. We did Kerry step, 2 versions of, and a little heel and toes variation. The next one I'm going to bring you is a loose legs tutorial, which is these ones. Pretty technical steps. So yeah, that's the next half tutorial I'll bring you. Apart from now we're done, so well done today guys. If you did enjoy that one, be sure to hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, and hit that bell notification button to keep up to date with the tutorials. If there's anything that I'm not doing that you guys do want to see, leave a comment down below. I will respond to you and I will get straight on it. Apart from that, check out the links in the description for all the other playlists, house dance routines, moves, drills, and all the other styles I teach. Thank you guys. Catch you in the next one.